When I meet with a customer that's never heard about customer value agreements, the first word out of my mouth is hassle-free maintenance. That's all the customer needs to know. Whether it be parts and labor, or whether it be notifications only. We take on your fleet for you, expecting us to come in, us to take care of the service intervals, us to come in and do the work, and we update the customer with alerts, notifications, and negative oil sample. CVAs allow customers to forecast their planned repairs. So if a customer knows that they're starting to receive yellow or red oil samples through the SOS program, then they'll know that at one point or at a certain time they have to down that machine and project that machine being down for, say, an engine swap or a component rebuild. A mining operation is 100% reliant on production. With the CVA, we can control through the customer's assistance when a machine needs to be down and where a machine needs to be placed while that machine's down. No surprises. Owning an operating cost is key to success. You can keep that owning and operating cost down by monitoring your maintenance and planning your repairs. A CVA would be your best option.